Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Hope you are fine now, friends. In this video I'm talking about the Hedera Hashgraph latest update, my friends. If you are a holder of Hedera Hashgraph, so never miss this update because this update is very important for all Hedera Hashgraph holder friends. Anyways, my friends, before starting this interesting video, I request everyone to please subscribe now ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos, friends. So friends, as you can see now on the screen, that is the last 1 hour latest price chart of Hedera Hashgraph. If you look, the price changes occurs in the Hedera Hashgraph, so absolutely now this time the price start moving upward. But unfortunately, if you look, the previous time changes occur in Hedera Hashgraph, so as you can see a fast down occurred from the last 1 hour. You can see here at the last 1 hour, you can see here they start moving upward. So now at this time, if you look the latest price, so you can see here at this time they are again start moving upward, gradually start moving upward. So I hope that there is a big jump occurs in the future, friends. Let's see, my friends, the more details. You can see here, if we talk about, my friends, the latest price of the Hedera Hashgraph at this time in the market, so the price of Hedera Hashgraph in the market is 0.2349 USD dollar is the currently latest price of Hedera Hashgraph in the market, friends. And remember, my friends, that is the live update of Hedera Hashgraph. The open price of Hedera Hashgraph in the market is 0.2377 USD dollar, friends. That is the opening price of Hedera Hashgraph in the last 24 hours, friends. And if we talk about the lowest price, the low price of Hbar is 0.2285 USD dollar, friends, and 0.2706 dollar is the highest price of the Hedera Hashgraph in the last 24 hours, friends. Now if we talk about the market supply of Hedera Hashgraph, so 8.43 billion is the market supply of Hedera Hashgraph. It's now this time they start moving upward, but the last 24 hours pricing is still negative, with the passage of time after 1 hour, after 2 hours, the price change will become positive. And as you know, my prediction about Hedera Hashgraph is 100% positive. As you can see, unbelievable jumps occur. That is the quick jump occurs in Hedera Hashgraph in the last. You can see here, absolutely, I really like this kind of jump. And the price change, you can see here, zero. So now after this time, from this time they start moving upward and the price change will become. So my friends, my suggestion, my recommendation for everyone is that it's time to hold, not to sell, friends. If you are a holder of Hedera Hashgraph, so please, my recommendation, my suggestion for all of you is that it's time to hold, not to sell, my friends. Anyways, my friends, what is your opinion, what is your prediction about Hedera Hashgraph? Please share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.